You give up? You quit, right? You're not doing this anymore because it's too tough. I think I need to switch directions. I think it's time for me to try something else because this isn't working. Have you said those words? Have you decided that you're going to quit because nobody told you that it was too hard? Nobody told you that you had to have faith in order to continue to move forward? Nobody told you that you have to climb up a hill in order to get to your destination? You had in mind that it was going to be this way, but it's not looking like it's going to be the way that it is. My name is Regina Green with Making Faith Moves, and I want to let you know that when you're moving towards something that you truly desire, that God is asking you to move towards, it takes faith and it takes courage. It takes trust. And if you do not have any of those things, I recommend you give up. I recommend you quit and live the mediocre life that you want to live. I recommend you quit and give up on the people who's sitting there waiting to hear your message. I recommend you quit and give up on those who really need to hear a word from God. I recommend you quit and you give up and say, you know what, God? I'm not good enough to do what you're calling me to do. Is that what you want? Do you want the individual that's waiting to hear your voice, that's waiting to hear your message, that's waiting to buy your product? Do you want that individual to give up because you gave up? Do you have the courage to go within yourself to say, God, I choose to follow you no matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it seems, no matter what it looks like? Have the courage to develop the faith you need to continue to move forward, to live the life that you truly desire. Who said that it was going to be easy? Who told you that? Is it a lie that you chose to believe yourself? Now, I do believe that it's simple. I do believe that it's effortless. I do believe that with God, all things are possible. But what I don't believe is that you should give up, is that you should quit, is that you should not develop the courage and the faith to continue to move forward towards that dream that you truly want. Yes, it can be difficult to start a conversation with your spouse. Yes, it can be difficult to move into the dream that you've always wanted to become your reality. Yes, it can be difficult to move from a job that you've worked about 15 years and you're in good and you have to start all over. Yes, it's hard to say, yes, God, I'll give myself away so that you can use me in a way that I can't control sometimes. Are you willing to develop the courage you need to move forward, even though it may seem hard, even though it may seem difficult? Are you willing to develop the courage to go within yourself and find the God power that's within you, that He gave you to move forward and do what you're called to do, to win in life? God has already went before you and made everything all right. You just have to develop the faith and the courage from within to continue to move forward and to win. So here's my message for you today. Don't give up. Continue to move forward and know that God is with you no matter how hard it is. Don't give up, even if you have to adjust. Do not give up. Continue to move forward, because I believe in the word it says, do not get weary in well doing, for in due season you will reap a harvest if you don't give up. I wanted to give up many times in my life. I wanted to give up in this journey that I'm in right now. I wanted to quit, but I realized that God has called me to something that is far greater than the pain, than the hurt, than the difficult seasons that come. Don't give up. Continue to make faith moves. My name is Regina Green, and I thank you for taking the time to listen to this video. If you want to be a part of my group where I always give you encouragement and empowerment, I want you to come on over to my Bible study, community Bible study and empowerment group at We Are Courageous and Successful Believers, where I will provide inspiration, encouragement, and sometimes I'll offer free training videos for you. All right? Thank you so much, and don't forget, come on over and join us. Have a good day. Bye.